Morning students. So previous classes complete 48 formula, sin 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, that is all fourth quadrant, each quadrant having 12 formula, one 90 minus theta, other 90 plus theta. So each quadrant having 12 formula, so total number of formula is 48. Now using that formula, now find the some values of trigonometrical terms. Since sin 0 degree is equal to what? Sin 0 degree, or you know sin 0 degree is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now what is the value of sin pi? Sin pi, pi means 180 degree. So this can written sin pi minus 0, can written sin pi minus 0 और sin pi plus 0, दोनों लिख सकते हो. sin pi minus 0, use formula. First you check that this angle lie in which quadrant? This is 180 minus theta. This is a theta. So 180 minus theta, that is lie in second quadrant. This angle lie in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, rest all are negative. So value of sin pi minus 0 is positive value, and 180, that is pi, no change. So sin pi minus 0 is sin 0, that is sin pi minus theta is sin theta, since sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. ये फॉर्मूला यूज किए, and again sin 0 is equal to 0. So sin pi is equal to 0. Similarly, now find sin minus pi. Minus pi. So use identity, use formula sin minus x minus sin x. So this can written minus sin pi, and since sin pi is equal to 0, so put 0, so minus 0, that is 0 value. So sin minus pi also 0. Similarly, find 2 pi, that is multiple of pi, sin 2 pi. This sin 2 pi can written sin 2 pi plus 0 or minus 0. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, 2 pi plus 0 or 2 pi minus 0. If write 2 pi plus 0, then use formula sin 2 pi plus theta. This is a theta, where theta is a acute angle. So use sin 2 pi plus theta. So first to check this angle lie in which quadrant. आप previous lecture देखो, this angle lie in first quadrant, 2 pi plus theta. आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट किए हो 90, 180, 270, 360 प्लस थीटा, दैट इज लाई इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, एंड इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑल आर पॉजिटिव, एंड इन 2 पाई नो चेंज. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा, दैट इज साइन 0, एंड साइन 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो साइन 2 पाई 0. सिमिलरली यू फाइंड साइन माइनस 2 पाई also 0. Similarly, you find sin minus 2 pi also 0, sin 3 pi be 0, sin minus 3 pi also 0, all are 0. So formula is, if sin x is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? X either 0 or pi or minus pi or 2 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi minus 3 pi, that is all multiples of pi. So this can written x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z, z for integer. When n put 0, then x equal to 0. Put n 1, then pi, 2, then 2 pi, minus 1, then minus pi, and so on. So अब आप फॉर्मूला ये यूज करोगे, if sin x is equal to 0, then x is equal to n pi यूज करेंगे, not only 0. Sin x is equal to n pi. Similarly, since cos 0 degree is equal to cos pi by 2, not 0. Since cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, pi by 2 means 90, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Now find cos 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Here multiple of pi by 2 is 1. Here multiple of pi by 2 is 3. So now find cos 3 pi by 2. So this equal to, this can written cos 3 pi by 2 plus 0 और minus 0, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. So 3 pi by 2 means 270. 3 pi by 2 means 270. So cos 270 plus theta. This angle lie in fourth quadrant. 270 plus theta lie in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive. So value of this is positive. And since 3 pi by 2, that is 270, change, then cos change into sine. So this is equal to sine 0, and the value of sine 0 is 0. So is equal to आ गया 0. So cos 3 pi by 2 also 0. Now find cos minus 3 pi by 2. Cos minus 3 pi by 2. Since cos minus x equal to cos x, so cos minus 3 pi by 2 is equal to cos 3 pi by 2, and since cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, so this value is also 0. So cos minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. Similarly, find cos 5 pi by 2. That is, here find all odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple. 3 pi by 2, next 5 pi by 2, next 7 into pi by 2, all odd multiples of pi by 2. So this 5 into pi by 2 can written cos 5 pi by 2 plus 0 और minus 0, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. 5 pi by 2 minus 0. Now check that this angle lie in which quadrant? 5 into pi by 2, this is pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 or minus, that is angle lie in first quadrant. So this angle lie in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, and pi by 2 that is 90, change, इसको आप चेंज कर दो. So cos change into sine and theta, theta is 0. So sine 0, 0. Similarly, you find cos minus 5 pi by 2. Similarly, cos minus 5 pi by 2 be also 0. That is, all odd multiples of pi by 2 is 0. So formula is, if cos x is equal to 0, then x is equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiple. How can you write an odd multiple? 2n plus 1 into पाई बाई टू, आप यहाँ n पुट करोगे 0 इन पाई बाई टू, 1 पुट करेंगे 3 पाई बाई टू, n 2 पुट करोगे 2 to 4 + 1 5 पाई बाई टू, सारा वैल्यू आ रहा है। वेयर what is n? n belongs to z. So this is the formula. When cos x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now find for tan. Now find tan. If tan x equal to 0, since tan 0 degree is equal to also 0, same I sin. Similarly, tan pi can retain tan pi minus 0 और प्लस 0, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। This pi plus 0 lie in third quadrant. 180 plus theta angle lie in third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan positive, and in pi no change. So tan pi plus theta is tan theta, that is tan 0, and the value of tan 0 is 0. Similarly, tan minus pi 0, tan 2 pi 0, all are 0. Similarly, tan minus pi is equal to minus tan pi is equal to 0. So similarly, tan 2 pi is equal to minus tan 2 pi, all are 0, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, so on, all are 0. So formula is, if tan x is equal to 0, then x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. This is the formula. So 3 formulas given. Now draw the value that is stable 3 pi by 2. आप 3 पाई बाई 2 एंगल में वैल्यू निकालना हो, आप क्लास 10 तक वैल्यू आप जान रहे थे, 3 पाई बाई 2 का वैल्यू आप 10th में नहीं पढ़े थे, फ्रॉम 0 to 90 तक पढ़े हैं। यहाँ पे हम 2 पाई तक वैल्यू बता रहे हैं, 2 पाई। सो हियर एंगल साइन कॉस एंड tan, रेस्ट वैल्यू आप अपोजिट कर लोगे। सो एंगल 0 डिग्री, देन पाई बाय 6 मीन्स 30 डिग्री, पाई बाय 4 45 डिग्री, पाई बाय 3 60 डिग्री, पाई बाय 2 that is 90 डिग्री, नेक्स्ट पाई, नेक्स्ट 3 पाई बाय 2 एंड नेक्स्ट 2 पाई। ऐसे एंगल पे सबका वैल्यू देखिए। सो आर यू नो साइन 0 इज इक्वल टू 0, या 10th पे पढ़े। साइन पाई बाय 6 1 बाय 2, साइन पाई बाय 4 1 बाय रूट 2, साइन पाई बाय 3 रूट 3 बाय 2, साइन पाई बाय 2 1, एंड साइन पाई, अभी हम वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं साइन पाई। साइन पाई इज इक्वल टू 0, साइन पाई इज इक्वल टू 0। नाउ साइन 3 पाई बाय 2, साइन 3 पाई बाय 2 कैन रिटेन साइन 3 पाई बाय 2 प्लस 0 और माइनस 0, 3 पाई बाय 2 प्लस 0 और माइनस 0। If 3 pi by 2 can write plus 0, then this angle belong in first quadrant, sorry, fourth quadrant. 3 pi by 2 means 270. Here 270 plus, that is this angle lie in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant which term are positive? Cos positive, but here sin. So value is negative. So value is negative. and in 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means 270, in 270 change, so cos change into sine, sorry, sine change into cos, so cos theta, theta that is 0, and since cos 0 is equal to 1, so value is minus 1. So sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, and previous example already discussed, the value of sine 2 pi also 0, sine 2 pi is 0. Similarly cos 0 1, cos pi by 6 that is 30, root 3 by 2, pi by 4 1 by root 2, 60 1 by 2, 90 0, and tan pi, sorry, cos pi can written cos pi minus 0 or plus 0, cos pi minus 0, and check that this angle lie in which quadrant, pi minus 0 lie in which quadrant, this pi minus 0 lie in second quadrant because pi से value less है, so this angle lie in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec positive, so this value is negative, and in pi no change, that is minus cos 0 degree, and since cos 0 is equal to 1, so this equal to becomes minus 1, so value of cos pi is minus 1. Now find cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, this can written cos 3 pi by 2 plus 0, this angle lie in fourth quadrant, and change, so cos change into sine, that is sine 0, ये पहले बता भी चुका है, दिस एंगल लाई इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट cos positive, and 3 pi by 2 no change, that is, sorry, 3 pi by 2 change, so cos change into sine, that is sine 0 is equal to 0, so 3 pi by 2 is 0, and cos 2 pi, this 2 pi can written cos 2 pi plus 0 or minus 0, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, cos 2 pi plus 0 lie in first quadrant, all positive, and 2 pi no change, so is equal to cos 0, and cos 0 is 1, so this value is 1. Now similarly tan, or you know tan 0 0, tan pi by 6 1 by root 3, this value is 1, this one is root 3, and pi by 2 not defined, or you know tan means sine by cos, so 0 by minus 1, value is 0, minus 1 by 0, that is minus infinity, minus 1 by 0, and 0 by 1 is 0. आप सेम निकाल लोगे सेक, कॉसेक, कॉट, सेक एंड कॉसेक, इसका जस्ट अपोजिट कर देंगे, ओके. This table is completed. Now next class, draw the graph of sin x and cos x. Next draw the graph. अब इतना फॉर्मूला याद कर लेंगे, नेक्स्ट ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज. ओके.